Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. In this video, we will discuss regarding introduction and classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Before going to start our point, let's see how much weightage this unit have in board exam. Approximate marks are given. Without option it have 4 marks, with option it have 6 marks. What we will study in this unit? First, we will study introduction of alcohol, phenol and ether, then classification of alcohol, phenol and ether, then nomenclature of alcohol, phenol and ether compounds by both system, that is common name system and IUPAC name system. After this, we will discuss regarding preparation of alcohol, then preparation of phenol, then physical properties of alcohol and phenol, then chemical property of alcohol and phenol, then preparation of ethers, then physical properties of ethers, then chemical properties of ether, and at the last we will study uses of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Before starting our point, let's recall previous knowledge. A question is asked, what is the name and formula of second member of homolog series of alcohol? For writing the answer of this question, first we have to know what is the formula of alcohol and what is homolog series. The alcohols having formula ROH, that is hydroxyl group is bonded to alkyl group. Here second member is asked, that means it contains 2 carbon atom. It can be synthesized from ethane. Homolog series. Homolog series a series of compound of same family in which each member has same type of carbon skeleton and same functional group and differs from next member by a constant difference of one methylene group, that is CH2 group, in a molecular or structural formula is called homolog series. So first member of alcohol is CH3OH. Therefore, the second member is CH3CH2OH. This is the formula and the name of the compound is ethanol, or it also called ethyl alcohol. Second question is, what is the structural formula of functional group of ether? Ether having a functional group or a formula, that is ROR, 2 alkyl group bonded to a oxygen atom, and the structural formula is this one, which is slightly bent or not a linear. Third question is, what is the name of the compound having OH group bonded to benzene ring? We knew that OH group when bonded to a alkyl group it is called alcohol, and when OH group is bonded to benzene ring it is called phenol, or it also known as a carbolic acid. Remember this name also, that is carbolic acid. Let's begin our point, that is the introduction. First, alcohol. Alcohol are organic compound in which hydroxyl group is bonded to a saturated carbon atom. That means a carbon atom which is bonded to a single bond or bonded by a single bond. Having general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. If you remember the general formula of alkane, it is CnH2n plus 2. The difference between the general formula of alkane and alcohol is that only one OH. That means one hydrogen of alkane is get replaced by a OH group. So, general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Next is a phenol. Phenol are the compound in which hydroxyl group are directly attached to a carbon atom of benzene ring or a aromatic ring. Here are the examples, that is phenol or beta-naphthol. Next is a aromatic alcohol. Aromatic alcohol are the compound in which hydroxyl group is present inside chain which is attached to a aromatic ring. This one is the example, that is benzyl alcohol, in which you can see OH group is attached to a CH2 carbon and which is attached to a benzene ring. Next one is a ether. Ethers are compound in which oxygen atom is bonded to 2 alkyl group or a 2 aryl group or 1 alkyl group and 1 aryl group. This 2 alkyl group may be same or different, 2 aryl group may be same or different. Here you can see the formula, that is ROR dash or ROAR or AROAR. Here R is alkyl group and AR is aryl group. Ethers are organic oxide It contains oxygen, hence it is called organic oxide, and it also considered as a anhydride of alcohol. If you remember the formula of alcohol, it is ROH and the formula of ether is ROR. The difference is of only one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. Hence, it is also called as a anhydride of alcohols. Next one is a epoxide. Epoxide are cyclic ethers in which ethereal oxygen is a part of 3-member ring. Here you can see ethylene oxide or 1,2-epoxyethane. These are the epoxide. Next is a classification of alcohols and phenols. On the basis of number of hydroxy group present into a molecule, alcohols and phenols are classified into few types. First one is a monohydric compound, in which a compound in which one hydroxy group is called monohydric compounds. First you can see example ethyl alcohol, in which one OH group is present which is bonded to a ethyl group. Next one is a phenol, in which OH group is attached to a benzene ring. Second is a dihydric compound, a compound in which two hydroxy group or two OH group are present are a dihydric compound. Example are this one. Here you can see in this two OH group are present. Here also orthohydroxyphenol, two hydroxyl group are present. Third one is a trihydric compound, a compound in which 3 hydroxy group are present. First example, that is propylene glycol. Second one is a 1,2,4 trihydroxybenzene. And next one is a polyhydric compounds, a compounds in which more than 3 hydroxy group are present are polyhydric compound. Here are the examples. Next one, classification of monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols, that means a compound in which one hydroxy group are present, is further classified on the basis of hybridization of carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. The first one is a alcohols containing sp3 carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. It is further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol based on the carbon atom, whether it is primary or secondary or tertiary. Here are the example. Here you can see in primary alcohol, the OH group is attached to a primary carbon atom. In secondary alcohol, OH group is attached to a secondary carbon atom, and in tertiary alcohol, OH group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. And how to find whether it is a primary carbon, secondary carbon or tertiary carbons? If carbon which is bonded to further only one alkyl group is a primary carbon, a carbon which is bonded to further two alkyl group are a secondary carbon, a carbon atoms which are bonded to a 3 alkyl group is a tertiary carbon atom. These are the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, and these are the example, that is ethyl alcohol is a primary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol is a tertiary alcohol. Next, that is the allylic alcohol. When hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond or which is bonded to a carbon-carbon double bond is a allylic alcohol, which is further classified into 3 types, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. If a primary carbon on which hydroxyl group is present and which is further attached to a carbon-carbon double bond, it is a primary allylic alcohol. If hydroxyl group is bonded to a secondary carbon atom which is bonded to a carbon-carbon double bond is a secondary allylic alcohol, and if hydroxyl group is bonded to a carbon atom which is a tertiary carbon and which is next to a carbon-carbon double bond is a tertiary allylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. First let's see what is benzylic carbon. Benzylic carbon having hybridization sp3 and which is further bonded to a aromatic ring, and if a hydroxyl group or OH group is bonded to a benzylic carbon atom is called benzylic alcohol, which is again further classified into 3 types, that is the primary, secondary and tertiary. When hydroxyl group is bonded to a primary carbon atom which is directly bonded to a aromatic ring is called primary benzylic alcohol. When hydroxyl group is bonded to a secondary carbon atom which is directly bonded to a benzene ring is called benzylic alcohol. When hydroxyl group is bonded to a tertiary carbon atom and which is bonded to benzene ring is called tertiary benzylic alcohol. Next, alcohol containing sp2OH bond, that is hydroxyl group which is bonded to a carbon which having a hybridization sp2, that is which is a doubly bonded carbon. If it is a doubly bonded carbon and to which a hydroxyl group is bonded is called vinylic alcohol. The example is this one. Here you can see that OH group is bonded to CH carbon which is a part of carbon-carbon double bond, which is a vinyl alcohol, or it is also called as a ethanol. Next one is a classification of ether. On the basis of 2 alkyl or 2 aryl group bonded to a oxygen, whether they are a same or they are a different, ethers are classified into a 2 types, that is simple or symmetric ether or mixed or asymmetric ether. Let's see first one, that is symmetrical ethers or simple ethers, in which you can see that when both alkyl group are same which is bonded to a oxygen, or both aryl group are same which is bonded to a oxygen, are example of symmetrical ethers. Here are the example, that is dimethyl ether and diphenyl ethers are the example of simple ether. Next, that is the unsymmetrical ether or mixed ether, when the 2 alkyl group which is bonded to oxygen are different, are example of a mixed ether. Here first one is a ethyl methyl ether, in which you can see one alkyl group is a methyl and one alkyl group is a ethyl. Next one is a methyl phenyl ether. Here also you can see that one is a aromatic, another one is a alkyl, and both group which is bonded to a oxygen are different, hence it are the examples of mixed ether. Next, a question is asked, classify the following alcohols as primary, secondary or tertiary and allylic or benzylic. Before answering this question, let's revise what is primary, secondary or tertiary alcohol and what is allylic or benzylic alcohol. Primary alcohols, when hydroxyl group is bonded to primary carbon atom is called primary alcohol. When hydroxyl group is bonded to secondary carbon atom is called secondary alcohol. When hydroxyl group is bonded to tertiary carbon atom is called tertiary alcohol. Allylic alcohol, when hydroxyl group is bonded to carbon atom which having a hybridization sp3 and which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond is called allylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol, in which hydroxyl group is bonded to carbon atom which having hybridization sp3 and which is directly bonded to benzene ring is called benzylic alcohol. On the basis of that, we can classify the following compounds. If you see in first compound, the OH group is attached to CH2 carbon which having hybridization sp3 and which is bonded to a carbon-carbon double bonds. Hence, it is a primary alcohol and allylic, that is primary allylic alcohol. In second example, hydroxyl group is bonded to a CH carbon, that means it is a secondary carbon and which is again next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Hence, it is a secondary allylic alcohol. Next, that is third example, in which OH group is bonded to carbon atom which is a tertiary carbon and also a allylic carbon because it is next to a carbon-carbon double bond. Hence, it is a tertiary allylic alcohol. In next example, hydroxyl group is bonded to CH2 carbon which is a primary carbon and which is directly bonded to benzene ring. Hence, it is a benzylic carbon. Hence, we can classify it into a primary benzylic alcohol. After this, the example in which OH group is bonded to CH carbon which is a secondary carbon and also a benzylic carbon. Hence, it is a secondary benzylic alcohol. Hope you will understand the classification of alcohol and phenols. If you understood what I taught and if you like this video, then don't forget to like and share it and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.